Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome in today's video. Last October 31, I asked you guys on Instagram which colors would you like me to use in my upcoming ombre or gradient nail art. And here are your votes. Okay, so I'll start my ombre nails with a white base. Then I applied liquid latex around my nails for an easier cleanup. Now I'm painting the colors onto the sponge. I saw on Instagram that the colors blend perfectly if you dab it first onto a piece of paper or plastic. This will also let you see how the colors look. Now paint the selected colors on the sponge again. This time, overlap each colors to one another. Then, dab it onto your nails. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the opacity that you wanted. Then, after that, do the cleanup. To smoothen everything out, apply your favorite top coat. Don't forget to seal in the tips to make your nail art last longer. And there it is. But wait, something will make this look even better. Wait, what is it? Oh, I know. Let's apply a holographic top coat. Then I also added another coat of top coat. And there you have it. I hope you like the outcome of your color choices. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to participate in my future polls. And kindly share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!